How to download the Wells Fargo mobile application. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up if we want to download it on our device. So let's get started. We can start by going to Play Store. For that, go ahead and open it up. And once we open it up, we can look out for the search bar right here. After we are here in the top, we can find the search bar. So what we need to do is basically go ahead and search for Wells Fargo and hit enter, and there we'll be looking out for the result. So go ahead and look out for the Wells Fargo mobile application. And once you find the mobile application, which is this one right here from Wells Fargo official publisher itself, you can just go over and click on that application and go ahead and look out for the install option. Usually, if that application is available, you can look out for the install option. Usually, how you normally download any application, look out for the install option available like this, and go ahead and confirm it up. After you wait for some seconds, the application should be installed directly on your device. And once it is done, you can just go over and log in into your Wells Fargo site. You can use your credentials right there and go ahead and access the Wells Fargo application. And that's it. So it's pretty easy if you want to download the Wells Fargo mobile app on your Android or your iOS as well. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.